بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ. There will be fear. You will feel that it's the end. And it happened actually. At the time of Ghazwatul Ahzab, people said this is the end. This is the end of the game. 12,000 strong army has laid siege to Medina. And then the tribe of Banu Qurayza is there, ready to stab in our back. So actually we have no, now we have no standing, no land under our feet to stand. So actually this is the condition that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tested them with, the total fear. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ. Hunger. You'll have to go hungry. This happened many a time. In Medina, before this treaty of Hudaybiyah and the victory of Khaybar, there was very strict and poverty, especially for the Muhajirin. Even Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his wives went days and days together without any food whatsoever. This was happening. Hunger. But بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ. And the loss of property and wealth and lives. نَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ. Loss of the wealth and property. And وَالْأَنفُسِ. And lives. You will have to lay down your lives. You will be required to lay down your life, to sacrifice your lives, your properties, your wealth. وَالثَّمَرَاتِ. And also the fruits